हेलो एवरीवन ओम सर कोचिंग को तुम मानक स्वागत। आज आम दशम श्रेणी इंग्लिश बहिर द विलेज जज चैप्टर रो क्वेश्चन आंसर को आलोचना करिबा। ताहेले आरंभ करिबा कॉम्प्रिहेंशन चेक रो क्वेश्चन रो। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देछि हु आर द मेन कैरेक्टर्स हियर। आंसर हेबो द मेन कैरेक्टर्स हियर आर जुमान शेख, हिज वाइफ, हिज ओल्ड आंट एंड अलगू चौधरी। सेकंड क्वेश्चन देछि हाउ डिड जुम्मन एंड हिज वाइफ ट्रीट हिज आंट when she had her property। Answer है when Jumman's aunt transferred all of her property to Jumman and his wife, then suddenly she was treated rudely by Jumman and his wife. They treated her harshly. Third question देछि why did their behavior change। Answer है Jumman and his wife were greedy and all they wanted was aunt's property. They treated her well until she transferred her property. Their behavior suddenly changed and they started to treat her rudely because their mission of having the property was accomplished. Fourth question देछि what did the aunt decide to do। Who did she finally go to। Answer है the aunt could not stand the ill treatment of her nephew and his wife. She decided to go to panchayat and resolve her problem. She finally went to Algu Chaudhary. Fifth question देछि Algu was not ready to help Jum's aunt. How do you think he felt after she had left। Answer है Jum's aunt's word had deep effect on Algu's heart. He felt sad and thought over her words. एबे आमे comprehension check 2 रो question answer को आलोचना करिबा। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देछि who was selected as the main judge and why। Answer है Aglu Chaudhary was selected as the main judge. He knew the truth and also he was Jumman's friend, so he was selected. Second question देछि Algu was not ready to join the punch. Why did he change his mind। Answer है Algu changed his mind after the aunt made him realize that the God speaks through the punch and his decision is considered to be just. Third question देछि what was the judgment। Did you expect this judgment। Answer है the judgment was made that there should be a monthly allowance to the aunt and if it is not agreed then the property should be returned to the aunt. Yes, I did expect this kind of judgment. Fourth question देछि do you think Jumman and Algu will continue to be friends now। Read and find how far your answer is correct। Answer है no, I don't think that they will be friends after the decision against Jumman Sheikh। एबे आमे comprehension check 3 रो क्वेश्चन आंसर को आलोचना करिवा। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देछि what happened to the relationship between Jumman and Algu after the judgment। Answer है the judgment made Jumman angry as he never expected such thing from his close friend. Both Jumman and Algu stopped talking to each other and their friendship was broken. Second question देछि one of Algu's bullocks died। What did Jumman say। What did Algu think। Answer है Jumman said that it was punishment for his Algu's deception that made his bullock die. Algu thought that it was Jumman who had poisoned his bullock. Third question देछि a new character is introduced in this section. Who is he। Answer है a new character introduced in this section is Samjhu Sahu who used to drive an ekka to the town. Fourth question देछि why did he want to buy the single bullock of Algu। Did he pay Algu for the bullock। What did he promise। Answer है he bought the single bullock because with help of it Samjhu would make 3 trips a day easily and earn more money. He did not pay for the bullock. He promised Algu that he would pay off the price in a month's time. Fifth question देछि how did Sahuji treated the bullock। What happened to it। Answer है Sahuji did not take proper care of the bullock. He overloaded it with lot of work. He did not even give it water or food. He wanted just to make money from the poor animal. One day, he put a double load on it during the 4th trip, which made the animal dead tired. He then whipped it so hard with cruelty that it fell down and died. Sixth question देछि what do you think will happen now। Read and find how far your answer is right। Answer है I think the matter will be taken to the panchayat। एबे आमे comprehension check 4 रो क्वेश्चन आंसर को आलोचना करिवा। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देछि Sahuji had not paid Algu for the bullock. When Algu asked for the money, did Sahuji pay him। Why or why not। Answer है no, Sahuji did not pay him the money. He argued saying that Algu gave him the dying bullock. Second question देछि a punch was called again. Who was the judge this time? Answer हेबो this time the judge was Jumman Sheikh. Third question देछि what was the decision of the punch? Answer हेबो the decision taken by the punch was Samju ought to pay the full price of the bullock. Fourth question देछि everyone hearing the judgment said this is the work of God. Why? Answer हेबो through the punch there is a just decision which makes people believe in justice. When the judgment was made in favor of Algu, everyone believed that God has done the right justice. Fifth question देछि there were two unexpected judgments in the story. Which one surprised you more and why? Answer हेबो the judgment made by Jumman was the most unexpected one because given the fact that he was not on the good terms with the Algu, it was surprising that he took the decision in the favor of his old friend. Jumman's aunt had rightly said that everyone was equal before the punch. Sixth question देछि which character did you like the best in the story and why? Answer हेबो I liked the character of Jumman's aunt. She is an honest woman and wished only for the justice. She believed in the power of the panchayat and got justice. एबे आमे राइटिंग सेक्शन रो किछि क्वेश्चन आंसर को देखिबा. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देछि why did Jumman's aunt want a punch? Answer हेबो Jumman had an old aunt who had a small piece of property. Jumman and his wife eyed on her property. They were greedy and wanted her property. Jumman was so greedy that he and his wife treated her well until she transferred her property to them. After that, they started treating her rudely. She could not take the ill treatment of theirs and got angry. She then decided to go to punch and get justice. Second question देछि how did Jumman's aunt win the case? Answer हेबो Jumman went to Algu Chaudhary who was Jumman's friend. She wanted justice, so she requested him to her help. She then decided that Algu be the chief judge in this matter. Algu initially did not want to be in this matter, but when she made him realize that Panchayat's decision is God's decision, he changed his mind and then the decision was taken. The decision was taken in favor of aunt, declaring that Jumman should give monthly allowance, else all the property shall be again transferred to the aunt. Aunt had faith in the law and her side was right, so she won the case. Third question देछि how did Sahuji's bullock die? Answer हेबो Sahuji had bought a bullock from Algu. He was greedy and wanted more money. Sahuji bought that bullock thinking that it would be useful for him to make 3 trips daily. He made the bullock work so much that he did not even care to give it food or water. One day he overloaded it and made it do the 4th round. The animal was so tired that it lost his energy. The Sahuji whipped it with cruelty and then it lost his life. Fourth question देछि why was the second punch called? Answer हेबो Sahuji's irresponsible and careless attitude resulted in the death of the poor animal. Sahuji did not give the money to Algu, rather he blamed Algu for giving him the dying bullock. Algu wanted the justice and he knew that the punch would be the best option to give him the justice. To solve the issue of the Sahuji and Algu's case, the second punch was called. Fifth question देछि people who heard the judgment said that it was the work of God. Why? Answer हेबो people believed that the judgment made was right. It was in the favor of the right person. Jumman's aunt had once said that through punch God passes his judgment and God is always right. Everyone was equal in front of the God. ताहले ए थिला आजिर प्रश्न उत्तर वीडियो. जदि वीडियोटी भल लगी थाए वीडियो को लाइक करंतु एवं एमिति सब विषयर प्रश्न उत्तर देखिबा पई ओम सार कोचिंग चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करि दियंतु.